Here's a viral TikTok, kind of worth it. Put the piece of bread over here, piece of bread over there, butter, mix up your eggs, pour it on the bread. Now we cook it. Okay, it looks pretty good. Now what we'll need to do is flip it. Oh wow, success. Now we cook the other side a little bit. Piece of bologna. And then grab spatula and flip it over like that. Whoa, it actually worked. I was worried this side will not work. Wow, look at that. Even this you could flip it over, but looks like this is good now. Now the turkey part. Ooh. Okay, will it work? Boom. Wow, it actually worked. Check this out. Now we wanna cook the bologna. That is amazing. I already cook egg and bread like that all the time, but this is just genius. I never come up with that before. Wow, I cannot wait to bite into it because I want to wait till the cheese melts and the bologna cooks a little bit. So I'm gonna put it on low heat. Now let's try to cut into it. Oh yeah, let's see the cheese pool, just like in the video. And not so much cheese pool, but you know, different type of cheese pulling differently. I think I had American cheese, but there you go. You got bologna, you got cheese. It's pretty melted. Love it. Wow, what an awesome breakfast sandwich. Quick taste test. This is good. The cheese, the bologna, the egg, the bread. Wow, that's amazing. Thumbs up for me. Good idea to make a sandwich. I might be doing it for my kids in the future and for myself.